Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. It is my pleasure today to share with you a very interesting experiment that we did in relation to public community in the north of Lebanon with this title, Enhancing Youth Culture Participation Through Particular Experience. Our City, Our Way. A young vision of MENA city. It will go through 4 parts: introduction and project progress, part 1 youth selection, part 2 learning skills, and the project outcomes. This project is co-funded by the European Union within the framework of the regional program Mid-Culture, funded by South Med CV. This project took about 1 year from February 2017 to March 2018. The project is implemented by Safadi Culture Foundation in participation with Beirut Arab University, Faculty of Architecture, Design, and Built Environmental, and El MENA Municipality. The project here aims to empower 30 youth from El MENA city by building their capacity in urban design, cartography, model making, and proposal writing to lead the design of specific landscape project aligned with the model of youth-friendly city. The implementation of the project done in a specific neighborhood in MENA, north of Lebanon. Our aim here in our project, Our Way, Our City, is building capacity of youth and give them the skills to begin the design process and lead them to the final product, which is real established in its site. These skills we have to learn or give the knowledge to the youth step by step to give them this opportunity to build. From their ideas to the real building inside. These skills, we can divide it into 5 skills. First one is the mental skills. We go through thinking, writing, observation, and solving problem. The second is technical skills. It goes from to sketching, photography, cartography, 3D modeling, movie making, augmented reality, GIS, and model making. Third skills is the teamwork skills and working in teams. And fourth is the communication skills, how to present their idea, and also the meeting with community. The last one is the design and build skills, creative skills. These skills by design thinking, landscape design skills, and thinking through physical model and building in real skills. All of these skills are very difficult to give it to a youth in a pre-university students, but we have to make a plan to give them in enjoyable process. We use a very interesting plan based on a research paper by Pro and Matthew, published in 2005 with this title, Digital Design and Manufacturing, a New Era of Presentation. And the main idea here is going from 0D, which is the idea, and goes to the 7D, which is the building. Here in this slide, from 0D is this is the thinking idea, 1D is writing, 2D is drawing and photography and choreography, 3D modeling, 4D is movie making, and 5D simulation, GIS and augmented reality, 6D fabrication and model making, and 7D is realization in site. First step, we here need to select and choose the youth we can deal with in this experimental. Based on the project object, a youth group of 30 students ages from 14 to 17 had to form it. To select them and select the right group, we go through 3 stages. First one, we go through public announcement to schools and scores in MENA city. Then in the launching ceremony, we have 120 students and make with them a questionnaire testing their basic knowledge through general information, urban knowledge, urban knowledge of MENA city and city development vision. And we choose from them 58 students. And in third stage, we choose 30 students by testing them in many tasks, focusing on thinking, writing, and drawing skills. This is the questionnaire. We give it to our youth, and from that we have a criteria to choose the 30 youth from MENA. The second step, our second stage, is the learning skills. This is the working plan we use to building capacity to our youth, from mental skills, technical skills, teamwork skills, and communication skills, and plus is the creative skills, design and build skills. And this is the working days with the tasks, and this is a detailed schedule of the working. First skill, which is the mental skills, begin with the launching ceremony, and here we make the students, the youth, engaged with our plan and our aims and objective by giving them a brief about the project and take from them their dream about MENA city, including the mental image of better urban environmental that consider all ages, especially the youth. This part of mental skills as a thinking goes through seminars, questionnaire, and brainstorming. The second one is writing, and this is the one dimension representation skills, and goes through many lecture and exercise to build the cultural background for the youth group through observation of the city, social, cultural, environmental, and touristic status of the city, and recognition of strengths and weakness points of the city. The second skills, which is technical skills, we give them some of lecture and workshop about some skills related to photography that enable youth to document and capture the surrounding context through their camera lens. And this is some of images that the youth took from the university and from the site. Also, we give them some workshop about sketching to document the surrounding environment and give them the knowledge about the different sketching techniques, begin with the basic perspective sketches of objects and group of objects or a city. Also, we give them cartography skills about how to read a map, how to have a sense of a place, how to make a location or get to a location. And there was a game in this workshop as a treasure hunt, and to find something hidden in somewhere in BU University, and it was a very interesting game from them. As a technical skills, also we give them a very sample exercise in SketchUp to visualize their ideas in 3D dimension, and we give them this opportunity to test their ideas in a very sample way. Also in 4D as movie making skills and putting time in our dimension, we give them the opportunity to learn how to take movies and how to make a serial view of a path in an urban city. In 5D, as augmented reality skills, how to make a relation between real and computer-based scene or a virtual scene, and how they get a virtual information into a real one, and they enjoy it with these skills too. Also, as a GIS skills, was it important to be related to our youth to make a knowledge with manner application, and to increase youth awareness in order to use in future project or in our project. As a last part in the technical skills was fabrication skills, and how to make models, physical models, and use hand to make an idea from available material. They can use it, and this is some of exercise they done in the workshop. Third skills is the students learned as about teamwork, and it was very exciting to have many youth working together to bring their idea to be presented to the other participants. Also, the communication skills, how we make students present their idea to the public or the other participants. In fifth skills, which is the important skills, which is the creative design skills, design and build. In this stage, the participants were introduced to the field of landscape, and considering all main component and method of organization and basic design concept in simple way to have them prepared to begin the project, and using model making technique to express their ideas. Also, we began to choose our site in Elmina city. We give the student a criteria to choose the site, and give them 3 chosen site to choose from them, and within the site visit, they make their choice and make questionnaire to have the appropriate site. This is the site location in behind Khan el-Tamasili in Mina City, which is a very small public space which has a view opening, passive facade, and no commercial activity. The space used as a parking for 4 cars, and main landmark, which is Sabil, which currently not functioning. Also, we give them the knowledge to make an analysis, a sample analysis, SWOT analysis, to know and define strengths, weakness, opportunities, and stress of this space, and begin as a brainstorming with our youth to write or discuss the main points of SWOT analysis. We began here in building a model in scale 1 to 50 to bring the idea to first draft, making them give their vision to how we can organize this public space. We have 6 groups and 6 different alternatives, and we discussed to make them and choose the acceptable one. They use working on the model. The students enjoy it with using their hand and making the physical models. We also encourage our students to make
2 minutes.
a very large model in scale 1 to 4,000 to the urban context, and this is scale 1 to 20 to the selected area. Then here we ask them to choose one proposal and begin to develop and make a small model for it. And this is the current solution of the area from a playing zone and sitting zone and walking path. This is the movie of walkthrough and how we organize the space. After that, we make a meeting with community. The student explains the project to the public audience from the residents of the area, and the student was proud of their work in this time. After that, we make how to build this idea. The first stage was by letting them to build the sitting area with the help of our student in third level to reduce the final benches. The second stage was on site preparing the open space by the municipality of Mina. And third stage, which is by organizing the street furniture in the designed place. This is the realization on site. And this is a small movie about the workshop and the project and the student working on the proposal. Finalizing the project. The project was finalizing in March 2018, 1 year after the funding project started. The real time was for construction about 3 months, and the other time was for creating the design and building capacity. On the opening day, everyone participated, especially the children of the neighborhood. They didn't leave the playing facility for a second. The youth were very proud of their effort, as they had given life to unused space. Their design had been implanted in its site. This is the space after development of the area. Children enjoy it with the playground and never let the playground this is before in February 2017, and this is after 1 year in March 2018. Bringing life is the title of what happened. I choose this image because we see here in this place some people, older people use street furniture before we organized it in the site, but they use it to rest. They use and street project partner in an image bringing all team with municipality, Beirut Arab University, and El Safadi Foundation. This is the closing ceremony on 3rd of March. And we see here the two models of the project. We have a publication about the project in a printed booklet and a website, online website. I will share with all of you. Unfortunately, after a short period of time, some of project part got changed, as we see here. This, as a project flow-up review, we can summarize the factors that lead to this current situation: to the absence of maintenance and flow-up role of the municipality, neglecting the resident to maintain the place, the lack of parking area in the site for residents, the lack of children playground and play area in the surrounding context. thank you. And this is part of links for anyone to have more information about this project. Also, thanks for our BEU team. First, Dr. Ibtihal Bastawis, our dean, and Dr. Nabil, Dr. Mary, Ms. Sarah, Ms. Fatma, and also Dr. Mustafa Al-Hifnawi. Thanks.